Instagram story, doc, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, print, or website. The only question which is left is, what do you want to create? What do you want to use? This is exactly the topic of today's video. If you want to use a template, then you have two options. You can either directly search for a template. For example, let's say logo creation is something I want to do. Then I can click on logo, and afterwards, in this context, I will get 20,000 different logos that I can edit, modify according to my needs. At the same time, I can always start from scratch, which means that I'm getting a wide design so that I can create my logo completely on my own. But this is only one option that you can use. The second option is to click on one of the following examples right here. You can, for example, click on whiteboard, and afterwards a new whiteboard, which is completely empty, is created. But you are still able to insert different templates if you want. In this video, we won't talk about the menu on the left-hand side. This is something that we are doing in the next module. In this video, I want to demonstrate the different ways in order to create a new design. And at the same time, I have some kind of instruction for you, some kind of small exercise. It is very important to not only watch a course, but also to enter the implementation part or to do some kind of implementation work. So my task, my little exercise for you is pretty simple. Create your personal Canva account, if you haven't right now, and create a new design. It does not matter what you want to create. It does not matter if you start from scratch or try to use different examples. Just give it a try. I know we haven't talked about all the different templates, the different functions when it comes to designing something, but this is not important right now. It will follow, of course, but right now, just give it a try. You can, for example, click on print in order to see different sizes for a resume, for a business card with certain templates. The same can also be done for a website or for videos or for social media content, etc. So just take a look at different templates so that you get a first impression and overview on your own. Not by watching these videos, but instead by clicking through different steps or different design ideas in your personal Canva account. You can also click on custom size and enter different sizes if you want. For example, in pixel, in millimeter, in centimeter, in inches if you want. You can also upload designs that you have already created or pictures. Just do it. And if you've already done it, well, then you can skip this video and we will see us again in the next video. One final information, just to give you some kind of support. What I expect from you is pretty simple. For example, you click on print, you take a look at different templates, and if you say, hey, this template seems to be interesting, well, in this case, you need the pro version, so the paid version, so we cannot use it right now. Let's take another example. For example, this one, I like this one. So you click on it, you take a look at it, and afterwards you can start creating something. You can start editing this template, and how you can do it and what the different functions mean. This is exactly what you will learn in the next module.